Hires CTET Paper 1. Next topic, Jacques Rousseau. Notes and question answers. Again repeated. CTET Paper 1. Topic, Jacques Rousseau. Notes and question answers. About Jacques Rousseau. Father of early childhood education. He is the father of early childhood education. Children are active participants in their own education and development. Children are active participants in their own education and development. The basic principle of child-centered education is to enable the optimal development of child's personality and competencies simultaneously with his or her individual needs and requirements. What is that? Individual needs and requirements. Next, many ways of incorporate child-centered education is classrooms. Use open-ended questions techniques. This practice encourages the critical and creative thinking and enhance the problem-solving skills. Allowing the students to move through material at she rate the best fits their learning styles makes it more likely that they will gain a much deeper understanding of the concept. Next, characteristics of child-centered classroom. Progressive education. 1919 in the Progressive Education Association was founded aiming at reforming the entire school system of America. Next, practices of progressive education. Next, what she said, we should not teach children the science but give them a taste for them. Now questions. Child-centered education was advocated by which of the following thinker? John. Answer B. John Dewey. Next question. Which of the following is the future of progressive education? Answer D. Flexible timetable and seating arrangements. Next, The child-centered education involves what the answer A. Hands-on activities for kids. Next, learning-centered approach means answer C. Methods where learner own intuitive and efforts are involved in learning. Thank you.